More food safety topics are found on my channel. Guidelines for application of hazard analysis, critical control point. Prerequisite programs. The production of safe food products requires that the hazard analysis, critical control point system be built upon a solid foundation of prerequisite programs. Examples of common prerequisite programs are listed in Appendix A. Note: link for Appendix A on the link below. Each segment of the food industry must provide the conditions necessary to protect food while it is under their control. This has traditionally been accomplished through the application of current good manufacturing practices. These conditions and practices are now considered to be prerequisite to the development and implementation of effective hazard analysis, critical control point plans. Prerequisite programs provide the basic environmental and operating conditions that are necessary for the production of safe, wholesome food. Many of the conditions and practices are specified in federal, state and local regulations and guidelines. For example, Current Good Manufacturing Practices and Food Code. The Codex Alimentarius General Principles of Food Hygiene describe the basic conditions and practices expected for foods intended for international trade. In addition to the requirements specified in regulations, industry often adopts policies and procedures that are specific to their operations. Many of these are proprietary. While prerequisite programs may impact upon the safety of a food, they also are concerned with ensuring that foods are wholesome and suitable for consumption. See Appendix A. Hazard analysis critical control point plans are narrower in scope, being limited to ensuring food is safe to consume. The existence and effectiveness of prerequisite programs should be assessed during the design and implementation of each hazard analysis critical control point plan. All prerequisite programs should be documented and regularly audited. Prerequisite programs are established and managed separately from the hazard analysis critical control point plan. Certain aspects, however, of a prerequisite program may be incorporated into a hazard analysis critical control point plan. For example, many establishments have preventive maintenance procedures for processing equipment to avoid unexpected equipment failure and loss of production. During the development of a hazard analysis critical control point plan, the hazard analysis critical control point team may decide that the routine maintenance and calibration of an oven should be included in the plan as an activity of verification. This would further ensure that all the food in the oven is cooked to the minimum internal temperature that is necessary for food safety.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Up next, Guidelines for application of hazard analysis critical control point. Education and training.